Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is Who Money here with another video for you guys today. Today we're going to be going over Ttcf, and I'm going to be telling you guys why exactly I bought another $1.5 thousand worth of shares on this stock today. Guys, this stock is doing some fantastic things, and they recently came out with some news which we're going to get into a little bit later on in the video. But guys, I really do like this stock. I really do think it is very undervalued, and I think that you guys should definitely consider putting this one on your watch list if you haven't already, because Ttcf is going to be doing great things, and they're going to be super innovative in the food industry in the future, and they're trading at an insanely cheap price right now. And I think other YouTubers are also talking about this because of the insanely cheap price that they're trading at, and we're going to be going over that as well. So make sure you stick around, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications if you haven't already, because we make videos like this every day on this channel. This is the second video of the day today, and I am super excited to make this one. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so here we have Ttcf. As you can see, it's trading at $17.71 per share. Guys, the perfect buy zone for Ttcf is $16 a share, and I'm going to tell you guys exactly why later, but $16 a share, you guys should be buying this. Actually, no, I'm not a financial advisor, but I will be buying this stock at $16 a share because of many different reasons. However, I really like this stock. Anyways, we're going to come down. I have 129 shares, and the market value is $2,284. Guys, this is a pretty large position for me. As you can see, it's 8.5% of my portfolio. And that's not it. I have an options contract as well. We're going to click on it right here. It's a $5 call, and it's expiring in January of 2023, and it's already up 25%. I've told you guys about this before. I've made other videos on Ttcf and how I bought this contract, but guys, I just keep buying more and more of this stock because I just think that it's going to be doing some fantastic things over the past few years. And it kind of got hit with the rest of the growth stocks in the recent correction over the past 3 months. So it's at a pretty low price right now, and I don't think Wall Street is really picking up on this because they're pretty much focused on shorting their other stocks and manipulating the markets and doing all that crazy stuff. Anyways, guys, today Janet Yellen came out with an announcement saying that we might have to raise rates, and for some reason stocks sold off maybe about 2 hours before she came out with that announcement. I don't know who it could be. Hedge funds, Wall Street. Anyways, so there's definitely no market manipulation going on right now, and growth stocks aren't being shorted to oblivion, and Ttcf isn't being unreasonably shorted at all. That can't be a possibility at all, right? Well, anyways, we're going to get into exactly what's going on here with Ttcf, and I'm really excited to show you guys what exactly is new with this stock. Alright, so here is the daily chart of Ttcf. As you can see over here in the corner, it is trading at $17.75 per share, bouncing off that pink line. As you can see, it sold off a little bit today, as we already discussed, and I think it could definitely go back down to 16 just based on how it's been trading. Although technical analysis, it is what it is. I never really think of technical analysis as the king indicator of what a stock's gonna do, so take that as you will. But if this stock does go back down to around $16 a share, you can bet that I will be buying, because I really do like this stock, guys. So as you can see right here, it is trading at a 10.53 price to earnings multiple here in the packaged food industry. So the only two that are trading at a lower price to earnings multiple are Seneca Foods Corporation and Farmy Inc. All the other companies on this list have about a 15 on average, or even more, getting up to 25. And if we click next right here, it's even higher at 25 to even 1,834. As you can see right here, J&J Snack Foods Corp is trading at a very high price to earnings ratio. I think that is a great sign that Ttcf has been beaten down way too much. Also, how many growth stocks do you know that even post in earnings? Ttcf posts in earnings. They're being sold in stores like Target and Costco as we speak, and they are expanding into more and more grocery store brands. So these numbers are just going to get higher and higher. Their sales are going to keep increasing. And being a plant-based food company, they are really on the forefront of the trends and technology in the food industry, which is why I really do love this stock. So as I promised, guys, there is some new news with this stock. So as you can see, Tattooed Chef enters into agreements to acquire New Mexico food distributors and Karsten Tortilla Factory. So some of the highlights on this article is that they'll be able to capitalize on the $20 billion Hispanic Southwest food sector and $1 billion frozen Mexican food category. And guys, have you guys ever had taquitos as a kid? Taquitos are muy delicioso. And guys, I really think that this Mexican food acquisition is such a smart idea from Tattooed Chef. Their board unanimously agreed to acquiring this company, and guys, the future in Tattooed Chef is really bright. So some of the strategic benefits of this acquisition is that they're moving into new sectors of the food, as we already talked about, the Hispanic and Southwest food sector. It also expands production capacity. Foods of New Mexico's 2 facilities total 118,000 square feet, and it allows Tattooed Chef to have additional capacity to continue to expand. They can now expand outside of frozen foods with these acquisitions, moving into things like snacks and other food commodities. And this is what I thought was pretty phenomenal. So in 2021, Tattooed Chef is now expanding their guidance. They expect revenue in the range of $235 million to $242 million, which is an increase of 58 to 63% when we're comparing this to 2020. They expect gross margin in the range of 20 to 25%. Adjusted EBITDA in the range of $2 million to $4 million. Guys, if you guys are invested in Tattooed Chef, I hope you guys are excited as I am, because this is some very good news. And with the acquisition, the stock is actually trading down on the day, as well as the growth stocks were also hit on today's date. So today was more of a red day in the market, and because of their acquisition, it pushed them further down. But what does that mean for me? It means I'm looking to buy more, especially when we get to that $16 price range. Like I said, things that we're gonna have to look for in future financial statements, guys, we are going to have to take a look at their earnings. Right now, I am very impressed with their price to earnings multiple of around 10, but if this increases, if their earnings do go down compared to the price of the stock, this is something to pay attention to, because this is what it has going for it right now. And this is extremely important because they did announce a lower EBITDA guidance than before, which is definitely because of the increased costs associated with acquiring a business. So in 2021 alone, this may decrease their earnings. However, in the long term, this will definitely increase their earnings, given that their revenue will be increasing given their recent guidance. Another thing that we have to look for in future financial statements is their revenue. Are they going to hit their new targets? If they don't, that could be a huge risk going forward. Another thing that we have to look forward to in the future is when they open a new production facility, they will be issuing a new guidance, and that will further explain what is going on with Tattooed Chef. So there's a lot of stuff happening with Tattooed Chef in 2021, and I'm very excited. This is a huge part of my portfolio. I'm very bullish on Tattooed Chef. I think it is very undervalued for what it is, and that's just my opinion on it. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, and I wouldn't recommend you listen to me or anyone for that matter. I've personally made my best investing decisions when I don't listen to anyone besides myself, because a lot of the time in investing, people will disagree with you, and they have different information than you might have, or they might just see the world differently. And it's really up to you to have that open mind in investing and figuring out what works for you, because everyone is unique in investing. So don't listen to me, don't listen to anyone else when doing this stuff. Listen to yourself. Anyways, that's about it for the video for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a fun one to make. I am so excited for Tattooed Chef and its future, guys. Remember to like the video, remember to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more content on this YouTube channel, and that's about it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.